Hello, healthy people! Let's be honest, no one likes a clogged drain. They smell and make showering or washing dishes a pain with slow draining or no draining at all. But did you know this can easily go away with the help of two very common household items? Yes, you heard me right. No more clogged drains, and today we're going to show you how. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of our natural remedies curated to improve your life. Now let's get into it. Clearing your clogged drains doesn't have to be a hassle as long as you have these two common household items, baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring mineral compound that is great for dissolving the mineral deposits and organic materials that end up clogging our drains. Mix it with the acidic nature of vinegar and you get a bubbly reaction that can power its way through your clogged drains. So how do you use these two items to clear your drain? It's simple. All you need to do is start by pouring a pot of boiling water down the drain. This works to help loosen up the debris clogging your drains and help the big guys do their job efficiently. Next, pour 1 cup of baking soda into the drain and follow that up with 1 cup of vinegar. Cover the drain with a plug and wait 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda vinegar mix will be fizzing its way through your drain and breaking down all the debris clogging it up. Once it's done, pour another pot of boiling water down the drain to remove any residual baking soda and vinegar from your pipes. Then voila! You're done and your drain is clogged no more. See how easy that was? Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video just as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And as always, remember to live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.